I'm a volunteer here at the Lampeter Strasburg YMCA. We work together with our community and area school districts for the southern end of Lancaster County. We encompass Solanco, Penn Manor, and Lampeter Strasburg school districts with students and community members working together to collect meals for families in need. We found that our communities had issues with the economic times, that we are an area that had a greater need than we anticipated, and we were fortunate through our community service group, we were able to provide 450 meals to people in need. And the ages of our volunteers range from children decorating our beautiful boxes that we were distributing to the families. We had old people, we had young people, we had a variety of individuals taking part. My favorite part about the whole project has been watching the kids from the different school districts working together. We've had kids that have had canned food drives. We've had teachers that paid money to dress down and go to work casual. We had kids doing different activities in school to collect change to help provide meals for needy. And this is just what a great community does when they work together.